GeNNi here. Today we'll be opening WIXOSS TCG Booster for Vertex Diva. This booster contains support for the top Diva deck starter and includes new center lyric versions of Akino, Lion, Tamago, Madoka, and Atto. Each display comes with a pack of Diva Special Sign Volume 3. Let's see who we got. BJ Wolf 3rd Verse Sign 5. Not bad. Let's pack open. Tamago. I like blue lyrics a lot, and Tamago is my favorite in Diva series. And we have our first SR, Azure General Princess Columbus. It's a very nice card. On to our next pack. I hope that I can get the Diva Rare or Secret version of Tamago. Level 3 blue, Level 2, Level 1, Level 2, Level 1, and it's a secret! Secret version of Unstop Dr. Tamago. Lucky! It's a very nice card, and Tamago is adorable. On to our next pack. Wine cellar. Next SR, Only Angel Princess.Exia. This card is very cute too. And we have Santa Lyric Akino. Next pack. Level 1 blue, Level 2 blue, and we have a parallel version of Machina by Narcisse. Level 1 blue, Level 2 black, Level 1 green, Level 2, Level 2 emerald, and we have our first piece card, Death Deck. Next pack. And we have X-Echo, Assist. Caesar. And we have our third SR, Red Equipment, Muramasa. Level 1 blue, Level 2 green, Exchange, have Deus 2 in Santa Lyric form. Level 1. And we have our next SR, Phantom Dragon Princess Dragon Maid. The Dragon Maid series has been very popular when it was released. Hope that it becomes a new set. Exchange. Then we have X-Gazer Assist. Level 3, Level 1, Level 2, Level 2. This guy is very cute. Then we have a parallel version of Deus Recovery, a Assist form. Level 1 green, and we have a Deus 3 in center form. On to our next pack. Level 1. Oops. Spell. Lyric. Then we got a spell. Next pack. And we have my Luta. And we have a parallel version of Verdant Angel Zeruel. This is a very nice card. Seven. Then we have a Machina Seed 6, Level 1. Next pack. Level 1 blue, Level 1 green, Wine Cellar, Level 3 Lyric, Level 1. Oh, we have Tawil. And we have a parallel Phantom Dragon Gorilla Pair. On to our next pack. Level 1, Level 1, Level 2, Level 2, and we have a 5-7. This 7 is very cute. On to our last two packs. Level 1, Level 1 red, Level 2 green, the spell, Level 2 lyric, Level 1, and we have our next piece card, World Reverse. Now on to our last pack. What will we get? 7, Level 1 blue, Level 1 red, Level 1 green, Level 2 blue, Level 2 green, Level 1 lyric, and our last SR, Holy Devil Princess Douman. In total, we have 1 secret, 2 piece cards, 5 SRs, and 5 parallel foils. In this box, there is unfortunately no Diva Rare. And And there you have it. Hope everyone enjoyed this pack opening. Hope to see you in the next one. Bye! Please subscribe to the channel.